Gemini Daisy. Here. Right. I haven't got much battery left. This will run down any second now. It's a foursome once again. It's a foursome. Now, something's there. Now, the food. The food, one stop. Pitch. What's this? Pitch. What's on? What's on? Oh, look. Oh, trick. Pitch. No, you ain't buying it. Let's get the milk. What's this? What's this? What was that? Whoa! Oh, pitch. Pitch. Oh, look at that. Is there a trick to that? Amazing, that is. Pitch. Look. What's some of this? Pitch. Come on. Pitch. Come on. Pitch. Look. Come on, jump. Oh my god, look at that. Wow, you're doing well there. Just. What's some pitch? Pitch. Oh, wow. Amazing. Yeah, no, what's that? What's milk? You want it? I'm not teasing it. This milk. It's not from one stop, alright. Pitch. I'm going for it. Go on, go for it. No, he's not interested anymore. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's that? Well, it's something. Oh, it's Brussels. Pitch. Look, what's that? A bit jump. 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 What? Let's do it. It's a foursome. Tell me. Pitch. Oh, look. Wow, he's in it. Tell me. Pitch. Whoa, you don't want it. Pitch. Oh, he's in it. Yeah. Amazing. Okay, that's enough for now. Well. Right, it's a foursome, as you know. Oh, look, there they are. Look, they're all there. Look, they're all in the same shots. Lucy, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, wow. So yeah, I'm basically running out of ideas for cat videos. Oh yeah. Well, she knows that I am running out. Oh, did you see that? Peach had a go. Rosie, I hope you saw that, guys. That is a must for any you know, random moment for you. What should I do? Oh yeah, the plant is almost dying. There's the plant. Oh yeah, I'm running out of battery. Where is he? Oh, goodbye. See you later, guys. Bye. It's okay. Yeah, bye.